Students, welcome to the math class. In Math Magic chapter 12, page number 134, you can see the things which were loaded on the cart were big in size and also very heavy. To measure the weight of such heavy and big things, we need a big balance, right? But Jeju and Mannu wanted to make their own balance. They collected a few things, a stake, two lids, and a thick thread. They made this balance. They made balance like this. Okay. Now you also make your own balance. Write down how you made it and draw the picture of your balance in the box given. This you will do yourself. Okay. This I am not doing. This you will do yourself at home. Next. In page number 135, you can see activity. Mannu and Jeju put a pencil and a geometry box in the two pans of the balance. Which pan will go down? Why? Draw a picture to show it. This now I am going to show you. Here you can see that the pan in with the geometry box will go down. Of course it will go down. At one side I put here geometry box, in the other side I put here a pencil. So the pan with the geometry box will go down because the geometry box is heavier than the pencil, right? Of course, this will go down and this picture you will draw in the box. Can you see this? This picture? One side geometry box and one side pencil. This picture you will draw in the box, okay? In your book. Now you can see the next question in your book is, what is heavier? Make pairs of different things and use the first balance to decide which is heavier. First guess which thing will take the pan down and then check with your balance. This also you will do at your home. Okay? No need to do this here. If you want, you can practice at home. Next question is, what is heaviest? Make group of three things, for example, an eraser, ball and paper. Use the balance to arrange them in order of weight. The lightest. The one within between weight, the heaviest. Complete the table with at least 5 examples. So now I am going to complete this table. Okay. So you can see in your book this kind of boxes there. In the first line, lightest paper, in between weight eraser and heaviest ball is written, right? So other boxes are empty. Now we are going to fill it. First one I am writing lightest, handkerchief. Handkerchief you all know. So handkerchief. Okay. So after handkerchief I am writing scarf, that is in between weight and heaviest shawl. Right? This is the heaviest. We all know that. Next, lightest. Let's go for a few fruits. That is grape. First one, grape. Second one, date. Third one, potato. So, grape, date and then a vegetable, that's potato. Next, orange. Suppose I am writing here coconut, in between weight and heaviest pumpkin. Suppose here I am writing pumpkin. Next, lightest groundnut, in between weight lemon. Let's see. Next, heaviest is papaya. That I have written. If you want, you can write your own also different kind of things. Okay, and if you want to copy this, that also you can do. Next question is, can you find out your own weight using this balance? I am writing here no. I cannot find. Okay. So if it's possible, then you write yes, or if it's not possible, you write no. I am here writing no. So this answer also can be changed. Whatever you want, you can write here. Okay. I hope all of you understood this. Practice this at home. Thank you, class.